On the back deck grilling, wondering if this chair was comfortable, sturdy, durable. I would say yes. It is a steel tube frame while still staying lightweight at 4 pounds. It has a polyester support up to 250 pounds. It does have some non-slip on the bottom. Love that it does have this cell phone pouch with ample room. The material feels durable and solid, yet being lightweight. I think it'd be fine for any outdoor setting. Love that it does have this carrying bag for transport, super easy. I usually just put it underneath so that it doesn't blow away in high wind. It does have the standard drawstring, so it stays nice and secure. Absolutely no tools to set up. It pops up in about 30 seconds. The cup holder is oversized. This is a standard can, and you can see it could probably even hold like a normal Stanley because it's much wider than a typical and much deeper, which is nice because you don't have to worry about anything tipping over. And honestly, for me, in addition to just being comfortable, that's one of the most important things because I usually want to enjoy a drink when I'm hanging out outside. Overall, it's just super easy to live with. Grab it, unfold it, sit down, relax. No heavy gear or complicated setup, which makes outdoor plans so much more enjoyable. And although it's a smaller frame, maybe greater for female or teenagers, it's portable and comfortable and delivers both. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like.